Looks like inverted, huh?
Well,
I heard nothing.
Huh? Nothing.
I heard nothing.
But the purpose of that is to protect the propeller.
Yeah, I know. It's cute.
I realize how gentle it is.
But you have to fix your servos, huh?
Yep.
So that the effectivity of your controls is there.
Okay. There's no pitch or roll issue, right?
No,
None.
no way.
It's very settling.
It's catchable.
Yeah. Nice. My first flying wing, and it works
Yeah.
well.
Mga Alex, ang ganda oh.